Good morning for this Wednesday, May 28th. We are looking at Caterpillar CAT. CAT, if you recall yesterday, we were looking to take profits, partial profits at 104.40. If you recall last week, we went long at 103.20. First target was 104.40, and then we were looking for a bigger move to the upside. Well, yesterday did hit 104.48, so we took some profits off the table. And we moved our stop yesterday at 102.95. We left that in place for today, which would mean the market would have to take out Friday's low, and it actually did that. The low today so far is 102.93, so we're flat this market, but we made money overall. We gave back, what, 25 cents on the remaining portion of the position and made a buck 20 on a larger part of the position. So we're out of that. Let's quickly take a look at Harley-Davidson HOG. Looks like setting up as well. You see these white horizontal lines here. They represent an area of support, right? This gap low, right? This old high here. We came down, we bounced, coming back. Tested that. We've got a tight little tight inside pattern here. All right, which would mean potential buy at about 71.17, what 71.19. Very small stop since the high was broken first. Today that initial catastrophic stop would be at 70.57, so you'd be risking like 60 cents on this. Okay, 60 cents. You're looking to make at least a buck 20. This is about a 2-to-1 reward to risk trade right here. So pay attention to that. Want to remind everybody of our upcoming Saturday live training class. Craig and I call it the opening bell income strategy for those of you that do any type of day trading. Really what we teach works good on any market. We're going to focus in on the E-mini S&P 500, but you know, the Russell, the Dow, the NASDAQ would work extremely well. Plus it works on individual stocks as well. And what you're seeing here on HOG, right, Harley-Davidson, this is something we teach in the class, very elementary here, but this is a logical support level you would expect bounces off of, and we got one here. Okay, but we're going to show you how to do this, these key levels, these key trade zones intraday, that you can trade off these all the time. So we're going to show you a top-down approach to the big picture, right? So you understand the context of the market, so you understand what these trade zones are. These key trade zones are very key. And this will change the way you think about trading. I think you'll absolutely love it. So I invite you to take part in that. All right, let's take a look at the overall market. Overall market's extremely strong, as you recall. The market is broken out, right? We gapped up yesterday. We weren't even able to. We didn't even attempt to fill that gap, and we continued moving higher. We'll see if we start pulling back a little bit, but I'll tell you this, if the market's able to pull back to that 1900, right, 1900, we're at 1907 and a quarter, 1900, I would expect some type of bounce. Okay, so again, I invite you to this Saturday's webinar. It's going to be closer to 4 hours, and then we're going to continue it on Tuesday and Wednesday from 8:30 to 12:30 Eastern Standard Time. We're going to actually trade live in front of you and show you this in practice. So it's not only theory on Saturday, but live trading with the real accounts on Tuesday and Wednesday of next week. So have a great day, and I've got more for you on the premium videos coming up next. Got some other really good trades and some trade management on current positions. I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now. Have a great day. Have a profitable day.